Life is full of uncertainties. One of the biggest ones? Our finances. It's a worry that sits on many shoulders. Will I have enough for retirement? Can I handle unexpected expenses? These questions keep people up at night, but there's a way to calm the storm. You can take control of your money. You can build a future free from constant financial worry. The first step is simple: acknowledging the problem. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. They struggle to save. Unexpected expenses can throw their entire financial world into chaos. This doesn't have to be the norm. There's a better way. Enter the 50-30-20 rule, a straightforward and highly effective budgeting tool. It's a simple yet powerful method to manage your finances wisely and efficiently. This rule helps you allocate your income in a balanced way, ensuring you cover all essential aspects of your financial life. It's about creating a clear and structured roadmap for your income, making financial planning less daunting. No more guessing where your money goes or feeling overwhelmed by your expenses. The 50-30-20 rule brings order and clarity to your finances, helping you stay on track. It empowers you to make informed and confident decisions about your spending habits. This rule divides your after-tax income into 3 distinct categories: needs, wants, and savings. 50% of your income goes towards your needs, covering essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. These are the non-negotiable costs that you must pay to maintain your basic standard of living. 30% is allocated for your wants, which include non-essential but enjoyable expenses. These are the things that bring you joy and enhance your quality of life, like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. Finally, 20% is dedicated to savings and investments, securing your financial future. This portion acts as your financial safety net and is crucial for building long-term wealth and stability. Needs are the non-negotiables in your life. They are the essential expenses that keep you afloat. Think of them as the foundation of your financial house. Housing is a primary need. Whether you rent or have a mortgage, this cost takes priority. Food is another essential need. Groceries to nourish your body fall into this category. Transportation is also crucial. This includes your car payment, gas, or public transportation costs. Utilities keep your home running. Electricity, water, and gas are non-negotiable. Healthcare is vital. Health insurance premiums and essential medical expenses fall under this category. These needs form the bedrock of your budget. Wants are the fun part of the equation. These are the things that bring you joy and make life enjoyable. Think of them as the spice in your life. Dining out is a want. Enjoying meals at restaurants falls into this category. Entertainment brings excitement. Going to the movies, concerts, or sporting events are all wants. Shopping for clothes, shoes, and accessories falls under wants. Hobbies and passions are also important. Spending on things you love enriches your life. Travel and vacations create lasting memories. These experiences bring joy and relaxation. Remember, wants are important, but they should be enjoyed in moderation. Section 5. Investing, planting seeds for a secure tomorrow. In this section, we will explore how to make your money work for you and secure your financial future. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's a crucial step for anyone looking to build a stable financial foundation. It's about planting seeds for a secure future, no matter your income. Just like a garden, your investments need time and care to grow. This 20% is your path to financial freedom. Allocating a portion of your income towards investments can yield significant returns over time. It's about making your money work for you. By investing wisely, you can create a passive income stream that supports your goals. Start by building an emergency fund. This is your first line of defense against financial setbacks. This safety net covers unexpected expenses. Whether it's a medical emergency or a sudden car repair, you'll be prepared. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This cushion gives you the flexibility to handle life's uncertainties. Next, explore investment options. Retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs are excellent choices. They offer tax advantages and help you save for the long term. Consider low-cost index funds for long-term growth. These funds track the market and provide a diversified investment with lower fees. Diversify your investments to manage risk. Spreading your money across different asset classes can protect you from market volatility. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to a balanced and resilient portfolio. Investing can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and resources, you can navigate the complexities of the financial world. But remember, Even small contributions grow over time. Consistency and patience are your best allies in the journey to financial security. Section 6. Navigating salary increases. Staying the course. Getting a raise is always exciting. It's a recognition of your hard work and dedication. It's tempting to splurge and increase your lifestyle. The allure of new gadgets, luxury items, and extravagant experiences can be strong, but resist the urge to inflate your wants. It's crucial to maintain discipline and not let your spending habits spiral out of control. Instead, view a salary increase as an opportunity to boost your savings and investments. Maintain your 50-30-20 allocation. Increase each category proportionally. This method ensures that your financial health remains robust. For example, if you receive a 10% raise, allocate 5% to needs, 3% to wants, and 2% to savings and investments. This balanced approach helps you grow your wealth steadily. This approach ensures that you continue to build a solid financial foundation. Over time, these small increments can lead to significant financial security. It also allows you to enjoy some of your hard-earned money. Treating yourself occasionally is important for maintaining motivation and satisfaction. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Consistency and patience are key to long-term financial success. Stay the course, and you'll reap the rewards. Section 7. The long game: reaping the rewards of patience. The 50-30-20 rule is not about instant gratification, it's about playing the long game. It's about making consistent, disciplined choices that yield substantial rewards over time. Imagine a life with less financial stress. Imagine achieving your financial goals with confidence. This is the power of long-term thinking. By consistently investing 20% of your income, you're setting yourself up for a brighter future. Your money will compound over time, growing exponentially. You'll be able to retire comfortably. You'll have the financial freedom to pursue your passions. Patience and consistency are key. Section 8. Discipline, the bridge to financial freedom. Discipline is the bridge that connects you from where you are to where you want to be financially. It's about making conscious choices every day. It's about resisting impulsive spending. Discipline means sticking to your budget even when it's tough. Track your spending, review your budget regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Automate your savings and investments. This takes the emotion out of the equation. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge your progress and stay motivated. Discipline is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Section 9. Peace of mind, the ultimate reward. Financial security is about more than just numbers. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. It's about having the freedom to pursue your dreams without constant financial worry. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool that can help you achieve this. By taking control of your finances, you're taking control of your life. You're creating a future filled with possibilities, not limitations. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. Experience the transformative power of financial discipline. Peace of mind is within your reach.